Hey guys, what's happening? To turn on to turn on screen mirroring on an iPhone, open the control center. Right, let me go back. All right, find the control center here. Right, and with the new update now, you can basically do everything from your control center at the top. If you swipe down, like your Wi-Fi or your screen, basically, and you can hold and press add a control and find screen mirroring, right? And you can of course place it wherever, right? In my case I already added it, so I don't need to. And then tapping your screen to apply the settings. Now all you gotta do is just hit the screen mirroring, right? And select your TV or computer from the list, ensuring both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, and then just tap them to connect. So consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.